3 seconds. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, I am thankful to the honorable members who have participated in the discussion on the budget and shared their valuable observations. The budget as presented this year aims to maintain a stability in the economy while ensuring that growth continues in a balanced and sustainable manner. Several members have expressed the view that the present budget contains no major deficiency and that it attempts to provide a realistic assessment of the economic position of the country. It has also been said that the proposals reflect an effort to strengthen the financial system and improve the overall climate for investment. At the same time, some members have correctly pointed out that the global economic situation remains uncertain and therefore our finance minister had limited options before him. He has tried to accommodate the immediate needs of development while keeping in mind the necessity of long term financial discipline. The peculiar economic pressures created over the past few years have compelled the government to adopt a cautious approach so that the situation does not deteriorate further. Many distinguished members of the opposition have mentioned that an increase in the plan outlay would encourage investment and benefit the country in the long run. However, concerns have also been raised regarding the unbridged gap on the revenue side, which might create instability in the price structure if not addressed carefully. Keeping these issues in view, the budget makes a sincere effort to maintain price stability while promoting growth oriented measures. The finance minister has stressed that by rationalizing taxes on both the direct and indirect sides, the total revenue of the country will not be adversely affected. The budget aims to guide the economy through challenges while maintaining balance. It is neither extravagant nor restrictive but seeks fair treatment for all. Therefore, describing it as a concessionary document or one favoring a specific interests is incorrect as it simply reduces unnecessary burdens and supports overall stability.